Are you amongst the many people who've been denied a mortgage? Is your dream of owning a home being put on hold due to financial setbacks? Well, if so, this video is for you. Hey there, future homeowners. I'm Deon with DeonDoesLoans.com, and I answer your home loan questions and I talk about the realities of owning a home. Today, we're talking about rejection. We've all been there before. We've all faced the disappointment of being denied. Maybe in your case, I denied a mortgage application. Where it's not the end of the world, it's not the end of the road. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 actionable tips to help you turn that rejection into stepping stones toward your home ownership success. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, understanding the why. First, you got to get to the bottom of why you've been denied in the first place. There can only be a few reasons, usually related to credit, income, or your debt to income ratio. Knowing why gives you the blueprint to approval by simply working backward. If your debt to income is too high, you have a couple of options. Make more money, lower your debt. The good news is by doing both, you solve all 3 problems. More money is always good, easier said than done, but more importantly, it demonstrates your ability to repay. And less debt means you'll have more reserves available for a down payment and emergency reserves. Remember, knowledge is the key to overcoming hurdles. Tip number 2, taking proactive steps. With all your newfound knowledge of your financial situation, you can take that actionable step toward approval. Deploying practical strategies to improve your credit score, manage debt, and enhance your financial profile are the building blocks for asset management and home ownership. Learning how to negotiate with creditors and exploring alternative lenders are all a part of your funding journey. Being proactive increases your likelihood of future approval and puts you in control of your financial journey. Tip 3, seeking professional guidance. You don't have to go through this process alone. Working with a professional loan officer, a credit specialist, a job recruiter, may be the best people you need on your team. The benefits of working with financial professionals or attending Homebuyer workshops are exponential. They can provide personalized insights, help you understand your options, and guide you toward a successful application. Don't hesitate to ask for help in your home ownership journey. It can and will make a significant difference. So that's it for now. 3 actionable tips to bounce back after being denied a mortgage. Remember, setbacks are just setups for comebacks. Found these tips helpful? Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more valuable insights on your path to home ownership and share it with anyone going through this process. Feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments below. I'm Deon at DeonDoesLoans.com, and I'm here to answer your home loan questions and help your dreams of home ownership come true. Until next time, take care.